Welcome to Market Bag. I'm Kelsey and I'm here in the heart of downtown Kingston at the Coronation Market. Cost of living is on the high, so we're back at the market this week to find out the prices of the produce that you'll be needing. Today I have a budget of $3,000 and we're going to see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping. Richard, how are you?
I'm fine.
Can you tell me what are some of the factors impacting the prices of produce in the market this week?
Well, so far, a factor not bad this week, because kind of steady. Carrot steady 120, tomato 120, sweet pepper, cabbage 100, Just a few little things, like more authentic things I can find, say, price up like broccoli and lemon and some little something. But the people can come by and get them good food.
So what factors cause them to be steady this week?
Maybe a repeat. So you can see, say, drought, make some crop come in early. And food their market.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.